Today we're going to review some stretches for the neck. People have a lot of complaints that involve the neck, that involve different situations. Please do whatever seems comfortable for you. The first stretch here is just called an isometric stretch, where we have Lita just pressing her head into the wall and breathing. So there's no movement of the neck, so this is like a very gentle stretch, but it can help to release some of the muscles, and the breathing only helps with that. Now, for the other direction, she's going to use her hand to manually do it. So if she was going to be pressing to the sides, her head is still in a neutral position, but pressing there and then releasing and pressing into her hand for a few seconds and then releasing. And now on the other side, pressing and releasing. For the front, she's going to press into her hand and release and press and release. Okay, now we're going to show you another stretch that you do that involves grabbing onto your arm. So we don't do any stretches that pull on the neck. It's just too severe. So this one, you're going to pull on the arm and then you're going to tip your head away. So in this case, we're stretching the left side of the neck, and we're going to take a deep breath in. And then as we breathe out, we're going to pull a little more on the arm and tilt our head a little bit more to feel for the stretch that we're looking for. So you'll have to find that spot that you want to stretch. In this case, you're going to be using your breathing, pulling on your arm and tilting your head to get the stretch that you're looking for. Now, the muscles that come into your neck really begin in your mid-back. So doing some shoulder rotations can be helpful, as can grabbing on a door frame or something where you're able to pull the muscles in between your shoulder blades to open them up, or even your countertop at home. This is something you might do for like 30 seconds and switch to the other side. We're going to cautiously suggest doing some neck rotation movements. So you can do 180s, or we call them half moons, but this just depends on how your neck is feeling. So if you're feeling vulnerable, don't do this, but if you feel like your neck can handle some gentle rotation, then we're trying to make sure that you have the full range of motion that your neck should have. Any other questions, contact your doctor for alternative stretches to help with your situation.